Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you International Relations Notes, Paper 1 and Paper 2 for CSS and pMS exam. So let's get started. The book I am sharing with you includes Chapter 1, Explaining Strategy to Study International Relations, Chapter 2, Explaining Past Papers Analysis according to the revised syllabus, Chapter 3, International Relations Notes Part 1, and Chapter 4, Explaining International Relations Notes Part 2. The PDF link of this book is given in the description box of this video, from where you can download it and can get access to free PDF. That's all for today's video. Hope so it will be helpful for you. If you want more videos like these, then do subscribe my channel. Also press the bell button so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.